Welcome again to Budget with Brian. We've spoken before about multi-tools. These are the devices that oscillate very quickly and get you out of trouble in all sorts of ways. The industry standard was the fine. This is one of the earlier ones, and you can see that the blade is fixed with an Allen screw, like so. And as you can see already, it's a bit fiddly, and on the original finds they had no retention on the blade, and if the screw worked loose, it flopped about. Fine then came up with a lovely new invention of a quick release. And it was a lever on the top of the machine, and it was a quick release. But there's still lots of money, 180, 200 pounds, and so on. In WX recently, I saw the Sonicrafter. This is a WORX model, and it's mains powered like the Fine, and it's got a quick release. It's a different system. It uses a screw, like that. And so you don't need an Allen key. It locks on the detent pins, and it does up with, as they say, a 1 ton force. That's a Fine, but with a different name. And a lot cheaper, about £70 I paid for this. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian, and don't forget, subscribe.